How to use Aviator Predictor app. This is a step-by-step video so you can follow easily. Now first things first, you want to head over to your browser right here and you want to search for Aviator Predictor app. You want to navigate through the GitHub page, and once inside, you specifically want to look for this user right here, which is from B120. Go ahead and click on his requisite right here, and once inside, you can now go ahead and click on the download button. Right after clicking on download, it will redirect you into this page right here. Click on the download link and the application will automatically download to your browser. So guys, that's all you have to do to go ahead and use the Aviator Predictor app. From there, you can go ahead and navigate through these buttons right here. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.